A senior journalist from Pakistan has been impressed with the education standard in China's Tibet after making a visit in Ningxi in the region. Muhammad Asghar is among a group of diplomats, media professionals and other international visitors invited to tour Ningxi ahead of a forum on the development of Tibet that was held Tuesday in Beijing.
It is totally different story. So the education standard is very high. And like we visited a primary school and it was so encouraging. The facilities, the buildings, they are neat and clean. Even we went to their classroom, they, got opportunity to speak their own language, but Chinese. And even we went to a classroom where the students were studying in English. And then there were art classes, and then there are computer classes, the modern education. And even they also provided the sports facilities, okay? And they are getting, very modern education. And because the school looks very modern, and I thought that maybe the student need to pay very high fees. But it was very surprising and it was very nice to listen that the kids of particularly farmers and herders, the education is free for them. I think that here, the people are free to enjoy their religion. Like majority of the people are Buddhist, so they are free to exercise their religious rituals. And their language has been protected, so they speak their own language. People, their happy life, their very happy faces, they are enjoying their culture and exercising their religious freedom.
During the tour, Asghar was also impressed by the local government's efforts to improve livelihoods and promote social welfare.
And also I will mention about the health facilities. So through health insurance, the local people, they can get their medical treatment. It's not very expensive for them. And also they get different opportunities, job opportunities are there. They can get jobs, carry out business, and even government support them to carry out their business. Okay, and like farmers, herders, they get support from the government. And also not only the central government, but some provinces, they also give financial support to Tibet and its people.